Hello students, this is Shovik, your instructor. Uh, yes, I'm back. So as we promised last week that we'll make one weekly planner before we start our week. So last week we did that. Now in this week we are going to do the same. Uh, so far we have learned web applications and we have completed that chapter, and I have provided you the notes. Okay, I have provided you the notes. I hope you all read those notes, and if you have any problem then you can just ask me in the comment section or you can call me. So in this week we will start a new chapter which is digital documentation. Basically it is based on Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Office, Word document, and so in this chapter we'll discuss about various functionalities of Word document and how to use Word document. If I know you all are very knowledgeable about all these things, you have already learned these chapters, these topics before, but in this chapter, and you since you are in class 10 now, so it will be in advanced mode, right? You will learn something new. I hope you will learn something new, and before that I would like to discuss the syllabus. Okay, again I have discussed it earlier, but there are some changes, and actually the change mainly on the naming section, and that's it. But I would like to show you the syllabus first, then from the next day I will start digital documentation, which is Microsoft Word. And I hope you will enjoy learning new things, and yeah, see you next time, and until then, study hard, stay safe. Thank you. So this is new syllabus, as I told you earlier. Okay, information technology code is 402, and if I go deeper, then the first thing is employability skill. Okay, employability skill, you have 10 marks from this chapter, employability skill, and it has 5 units. And then in part B you have 40 marks, and the majority actually comes from this chapter. This is very important chapter. You have to focus on this part, not chapter but part. In this part we have completed web applications and security already, so it covers 10 marks. And let me zoom in a bit. Okay, web applications and security we have completed so far, and it covers 10 marks. Then we'll go to digital documentation, and as I told you, it is basically the Windows, Microsoft Word, and it covers 8 marks. Okay, then we'll go to spreadsheet, and lastly we'll learn database management system, which is based on Microsoft Access. Okay, Microsoft Access digital documentation we'll learn the next. Then electronic spreadsheet, which is Excel, Microsoft Excel. You know all these things very well. And database management system, which is a new thing based on database, and we'll use Microsoft Access for that, and it will cover 12 marks. So it covers 40 marks. So this is the most crucial part of your syllabus. And yes, I have skipped the employability skill entirely, because after this lockdown I think your syllabus will be reduced for the next examination. So I am not really very sure about this particular chapter, whether it will be there or not, but as the subject is information technology, so I really like to focus on the main things, which is this part B. Okay, if it still manages to be in that syllabus, the employability skill, then I will surely teach you. And it is basically the very theoretical part of your syllabus. Okay, so and the next thing is practical work. I have discussed it earlier, which is 35 marks, and project field visit is 15 marks. So practical work will consist practical examination and written test of that examination, and viva voice based on that practical written test. Okay, and the last part is project work, and you have to make one practical file. You had done it already in your previous class, I know. You have to do it again, and a practical file, and then a viva based on that practical file. So total marks is 100. Okay, so this is it. We'll start digital documentation in my next class. If you have any question, you can ask me anytime. Okay, I'll be happy to clear your doubts. So yeah, see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.